600 centres across the UK. Just book online or head down to your local quick fit today and drive away happy, whatever the weather.
It's time for an adventure, and you can find it all on your doorstep. Start by rediscovering Fermanagh, where you can climb the stairway to heaven at Coolca Mountain. Go island hopping with an earned water taxi. Hear centuries of secrets in the Enniskillen Castle Museums.
Let's all have a conversation amongst ourselves and then tell the so-called other people on this island that we want to have an agreed island on. We'll tell them what to agree with, and you either agree with it or you don't. What sort of conversation is that? I mean, I regularly go, and I've been talking Cork, Dublin, Galway. I talk to many venues and the rest of it, and I talk about sort of the future arrangements on these islands and how we can actually get to trying to make the Belfast Good Friday Agreement work. That needs to be the key to it.
Well, Steve, why doesn't unionism do something similar and pull together a single identity unionist conference convention?
Just to avoid a hard border here, Theresa May had urged them to vote in favour of the proposal, which sees the biggest sticking point replaced with a so far unspecified.
Or is this mammal just a lone rider in a dangerous world, doing his own thing with his lycra type scarfy thing? Right, 918-20010, please, if you could explain the situation, or 63.
We need to stop sending people to prison because they've committed non-violent offences. 03030 80 55 55.
Don't even realise what they're doing.